Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, fifth canto, third chapter, and seventh shloka. We have engaged in your worship with so many things and offered sacrifices unto you. But we think that there is no need for so many arrangements to please your Lordship. And now, this Prabhupada gives a beautiful meditation of this, the purport. The idea is that unless you have an appetite, we can't eat anything. Okay? Oh, somebody offers something to eat. If you don't have appetite, how will you eat? You can't eat. Sometimes we have people, they have a lot of things, prasada, and somebody comes in and says, why don't you have something? He says, just now I had it. That's not, I have no appetite. Full. Okay? The same way, Krishna is complete in himself. Billions and trillions of Lakshmis are serving him. And then, where is the question? It says that Radharani does not repeat a dish. That is how they are serving, not that they are just serving like we. They serve with great love. So there is the question of Krishna even looking at my offering. Correct? Just imagine you have some personality. And he has thousands of cooks making all rabdi, rasgulla, gulab jamun, and all with great care, attention they're offering him. And you go with some burnt food and you want to offer. We feel ashamed actually. What I'm offering, going to offer. And we feel ashamed, can I even offer this? And will he accept this? So that is the mood Prabhupada said we should make offering to Krishna. Fully, just like the priest here, they have done yajna, and so nice they have done that Krishna has actually personally come there. It's not a joke what they have done. We also do, but we don't see in any ceremony Krishna personally coming, yes, and talk to us. Correct? Does it happen? We don't see Krishna manifesting himself in public. Everybody can talk to him. Actually, it can happen. And Krishna can be brought, provided we are devotees, we are not. So now, here they have an opportunity. They brought the Lord has come, and Narayana feature has come, Krishna has come in a Narayana feature. And then they are saying, actually, we made elaborate arrangement, my Lord, but actually there is no need of all this. I don't think we have satisfied you, because you have no devotion. This is the attitude of Prabhupada has taken. This is the inspiration. It's not a question of arranging huge sacrifices. Priests were regretful, thinking that they were not on the path of devotion service, and the sacrifice was not pleasing to the Lord. This is the attitude we should have at doing devotion service. It is out of the kindness Krishna has accepted. It is true, we should not say that, no, I'm not a devotee, but Krishna has come. No, that is nonsense. Krishna doesn't discriminate. Then if you are not a devotee, you should come to everybody. Correct? That is also not, don't go to other extreme of madness. Yes. But what devotion service? I offered some devotion service and Krishna was so kind. He accepted that. That should be there. Krishna's kindness is there. He has accepted the devotion service, but he does not need to. There are millions of people offering him much better service. But he was so kind. He has given some attention to me and he has given some mercy. So this meditation is beautiful meditation. We should never think, I can satisfy the Lord, I'm so great, my Navanga devotion service is so wonderful, it is pleasing. We should say nonsense what I'm doing. Whatever I'm doing is nonsense actually. But still, Krishna is so kind to keep me at the shade of his lotus feet. And Prabhupada said, hold on to the lotus feet of Krishna tightly. So Krishna is so kind. This opportunity has been given and we should happily accept this opportunity. So we do try, not that we should try to do our best when you're offering service to Krishna, try to do your best. At the same time, we should be very much conscious. Whatever service you offer, beginning with the chanting Hare Krishna, whatever you're doing, everything is service only for Krishna's pleasure. Actually, it is not done properly. We should be aware of that. How the devotees chant, great devotees chant, and what is my chant. How the great devotees offer service is so much. It's like reading in the previous verse, the faltering voice when they offer praise to you. And Prabhupada says one place, he says that when devotion offers something to Krishna, that gives Krishna appetite. How does it Krishna? Krishna can eat the whole universe. How does he get appetite when you offer something to him? When you offer something to him, if there is no devotion, Krishna feels the stomach. He doesn't feel any appetite in it. But when you offer with devotion, that gives Krishna appetite to eat. When Krishna develops appetite, when you have devotion, then he eats with great pleasure. So this we should always remember. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.